He said, what is the importance of the Islamic hijab for ladies from Islamic point of view and also from worldly point of view?
I wish you had listened to my cassettes or seen my videos in answer to this question. This is a question which always follows me wherever I go to question answer sessions. It's a question which is very often asked by women and sometimes by men as well. Sometimes they are planted by Christian priests who want to create an impression that Islam does not treat women equal to men. So I have said so much on this subject that I request you to have access to these audios and video cassettes. Every Sunday I sit with Christian visitors and very scholarly Christian visitors from England. And I don't remember any occasion when this question was not asked. So please spare me the repetition of all that. And I think if these sessions have not been properly translated, they should be translated not as a running commentary like it's being done here, properly well translated and re-televised in Arabic. Then inshallah, your question and the questions of all other similar people like you will be fully answered inshallah. Another question which always haunts me is a question in my meeting with my most Asian people, particularly Africans. And that is the question of Jinn. Like the ladies haunt me in the Western world, the Jinnat haunt me in the Eastern world. Because according to Hazrat Imam Raghib, Jinn is a word which is applied also to women. And important women who keep separation from the world, they are particularly called Jinn. So amazingly, these questions, unite at the end. So wherever I go, I am haunted by jinns.